guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Can you guess where I've been lately? And do you know what a panzanella salad is? We're about to show you. Look at this specimen from the Little Paris Bread Co. near downtown Paris. Have you ever just looked at a loaf of bread and thought, this would make a great salad? Well, a panzanella salad uses usually old crusty bread, say maybe parts of your bread that you just kind of haven't used yet. The Italian nonnas love to take those pieces and put them in a salad because it soaks up the olive oil, the vinegar, that beautiful dressing, and just makes those pieces nice and tasty. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to take this sourdough and we are going to toast it up first in little chunks. So when it gets in the salad with the basil and the tomato and the mozzarella, oh my goodness, I'm salivating right now. And I just got home from work and I am super hungry. So let's get to making our salad. First things first. Bread. You want to slice up your bread. So we've cut up our bread, we've got it on our little tray here. We're just going to toast this up for a little bit, not too much, just so it gets nice and crusty, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. The only two products you're going to need from our store, guys, is the spicy Calabrian Pesto infused olive oil, as well as our traditional dark balsamic that's aged up to 18 years. Both of these are delicious, and when they're together, even more delicious. We also have some heirloom tomatoes that we will be chopping up, and we did get some bocconcini mozzarella from our good neighbors La Bottega in the plaza. So we are going to chop these up, and then we'll show you what to do next. So when it comes to the tomato, you basically just want to chop this into the same size as you've done with the bread, as you saw. So we're just going to go here. Just start doing some smaller sizes like this. And keep going as you go along. So we've been taking our cheese and just chopping it once, twice, 3 times to the size that we want. Once we finish chopping this up, we're going to move on to our dressing. So this is the bowl we're going to use. To start with our dressing, we're just going to throw some of the traditional balsamic in here. We're not making as much as the recipe calls for, just because there's only 2 of us. So if you want to check out the full recipe, by all means, go to our website. Toss that in here. Once I have that, I'm just going to add in some salt. You just want to make sure you can get your residual in there. Kind of get that vinegar and salt combined. Once you have that there, you're going to add our pesto olive oil to this. Now you're going to get that nice spice that just kind of lets you know it's there. It's not overly spicy. We also get some nice lactose-free cheese flavor in this. It's plant-based in order to smell and taste like the pecorino cheese, which is nice. We are just going to continue to whisk this up. At this point, you want to throw in your tomatoes and cheese. Try not to splash too much here. Get this out of the way. You just want to get everything nice and coated. We're basically just going to let the tomatoes and cheese marinate in this dressing. Then you're going to get some of the tomato juices going with this too. And you can let this sit in the fridge for about half an hour. So the other thing we've done is we've taken some basil and we just tore it up. So we're going to throw it in with everything here. The smells that are coming from this salad right now is absolute Italian perfection. Now the other thing we're going to do at this point is we are going to grab our pieces of bread. Make sure this paper doesn't come with it, but we are going to toss this bread in as well. It's nice and toasted, nice and crusty. And then you want to just basically get the bread to the point where it's just starting to glisten. Before we go too far though, we just want to grab some pepper. You can do it to your taste. We're just going to do a few cracks here of fresh pepper. Keep going. Oh, the smells coming from this salad. I am so ready to dig in. Let's see, let's get a piece of tomato and cheese here. And let's go for this piece of bread right here. Mmm. Mmm. That is so good, guys. That pesto oil just seeping into the tomato, the cheese, the bread. Got that nice fresh basil in there. This is awesome. I hope you guys like this video and this recipe. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Can you tell where I've been lately? We'll show you what we're making after this. Not sure if I like that. Well, a panzanella salad. Can you tell where I've been lately? I'm going to show you what we're making. How do I intro this? I say simple, but it really is one of the most delicious balsamics in our store because of the age and the richness. And I'm seriously just so hungry, guys, and I almost chopped off my finger. Hey guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. That was a little... Hold on. You ever just... Hold on. Oh, can you tell where I've been lately? Guess what we're making? I can't get... So, can you tell where I've been lately? Well, you ever had a panzanella salad? Let's cue the intro card. Something like that. Bread.